some more.
Guys, guess what just happened? Dude, okay, I was just literally refreshing the page in Bonfire Spire. If you guys didn't know, if you keep doing that, you will, an Embershed will eventually spawn over there. If you didn't know that, guys. And the thing is, if you evolve it from a Bernewt to that, it will have 400 health. But if you catch it rarely, it will have 580 health. Just like a hot pot, guys. This is literally the best. So this guy's literally better than this. See, as you can see, it has 440 health, but it only can do fire spells. But this one, if you caught it rarely, can do thunder spells too. Okay, guys, I cannot kill it. I have to get all my level 100 pets in. So let's get a weak pet, which is this one, and then we'll get 2 weak pets. This should help boost it all up. Okay, guys, let's do this. So I'm just gonna have to use my self-to-battle first, because I'm not taking any chances to forget about this amazing thing. Guys, you have to keep a like on this video. If you guys already know, this is super duper rare. Okay, then I don't want to take any risks now. Oh no. What I have to do? What I have to do? I can do 0 instead of Oh wait, yeah, I can. If I do rainy day, I have a possible chance of killing it, guys. So maybe I should just do charcoal. Yeah, that's better. If I did 0, I would have killed it already if I got this question right. So let's do 4, 4, 5, 5 divided by 30 times 100. 14850. I don't think that's right, but alright, please don't kill. Please do not be critical. Oh, okay, guys, I will do it. I am gonna do it. The amazing impossible. Alright. Catch! At least it's now a question. I don't have to take any more risks. What is the answer? It's this thing. Yeah. It's always the odd one out, totally. Oh my gosh, I wish I had face cam. Like this is my face. Me, myself in Prodigy. Well, that's just there all the time. But really, just for that, I get 20 odds and an epic pet, guys. Guys, make sure to give a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you didn't know my Prodigy channel even existed. This is literally amazing. Where are you? Where are you? Separate? No, I'm just kidding. I'll keep the other one too. Just it's like a compare, like if I want to make another video in the future, like I don't know, tell people about this. But guys, just make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up about this rare. I wish this was a buddy. And yeah, guys, I'll see you all next time in another Prodigy video.